Hi guys, I'm going to tell you another trick, what I've been using. They have these things in the market called grease needles or grease syringes, or I don't know exactly the terminology, but I've been using these for a while. And what this is it's a way of greasing fittings and bearings and stuff that doesn't normally have Zerk fittings. Like this happens to be a sealed bearing that there's no way to grease it. And these things here, they're really cool. They're really easy to use, and they can save you a lot of money down the road just by not having to replace bearings and stuff. Now this happens to be the bearing off my snowblower. I made wheels for it 3 years ago using these bearings, and I noticed now the last time I used it, this wheel stopped working on me. So what I did is I got it working again. I added some PB Blaster over here, and I sprayed the side of the bearing. I let it soak, and I got it working again. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to grease that. And these things are really cool because they can save you a lot of money down the road. You got a squeaky tie rod end or ball joint or something on your car, you could just push this right through the rubber boot. And I'm going to put this on I'll grease this bearing for you. Now how you put it on the grease gun, this particular model, you just loosen up the grease fitting a little bit, stick it on the end, and then tighten it. And that'll stay on now. I put the bearing in a vise so I don't have to hold it. And all you do is you take the needle and stick it in the edge. Just find it where it goes in. Give it a pump or two. And you start seeing where it's gonna. That's all you gotta do. And then there's no need to try to seal it up or anything because it's rubber. And I went on the edge anyway, so there's nothing really to seal. And the rubber will kind of like swell back into its normal position. But now this bearing has got grease in it. And it's good for 3 years or 36,000 trips around the yard, whichever comes first. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.